As Black History Month comes to an end, our Kate Garner gives us a look at an organization that aims to improve health care for some who call the state home.
Black Physicians of Utah envisions a Utah that equitably represents persons of African descent in medical professions and eliminates racialized health disparities. Now, I spoke to the organization's founder to learn how they're working to accomplish just that.
Realize that Utah, you belong here too.
Richard Ferguson founded Black Physicians of Utah 5 years ago.
If you can see it, you can be it, which to me is being a kid from Washington, D.C., it wasn't unusual and actually had a Black pediatrician growing up. So it wasn't far off to aspire to become a Black doctor.
In the Beehive State, about 2% of the population is Black. Ferguson says that's not reflected in the medical field, so many kids may never see a doctor who looks like them, and, in turn, think medical school is out of reach.
We want BPOU as part of presenting that opportunity to many Black youth and marginalized youth here in Utah.
To do that, the organization helps youth prepare for college and provides scholarships.
I get a little choked up when I have to talk about it sometimes, but when I get that text message from a student that says, "Thank you for the MCAT prep scholarship, thank you for mentoring us, I have now been accepted in medical school."
After graduation, the goal is to get them to work in the medical field here at home.
When a Black patient receives care from a Black doctor, they are more likely to increase compliance. They're more likely to come back and follow up. And then when you follow up, you follow the doctor's orders, you trust your physician, what happens? Healthcare outcomes improve.
And that, he says, is why representation matters. Black Physicians of Utah is now accepting applications for its 10-week clinical research internship. More information on that and the organization can be found at bpou.org. Reporting from Salt Lake City, Kate Garner, ABC4 News.